Now, one of the big things about bringing Salesforce in, it's often it comes with change. I've been on quite a lot of projects, and for most of them, the most challenging thing was actually not training Salesforce. That's the easy bit. It's the change that comes with it. People have systems in place that are 5, 10, 15 years old, and they all of a sudden have to start using Salesforce. And it often comes with it changes in teams, changes how people need to work, and all that kind of stuff. And that brings turmoil to people, and a lot of people don't like change. And so we have to make sure that when we do training, and especially if it goes to new training, big audiences, we make sure that we very carefully think about, okay, what is our messaging? Why are we going to use Salesforce? What's the good stuff about Salesforce? What does it matter compared to the old system? Why are we moving over? Salesforce might be quicker, fewer clicks, everything is in one system. All that stuff we have to bring to the people to say, encourage them to use it by saying, well, it's such a better system. But at the same time, I as a trainer, for example, have to be very conscious about the fact that people sitting there, and a lot of them might not want this change. And so a big part of my training is actually managing those people and making sure that I get them on board and that they'd like to use the training. And at the end of the training, they are, yes, we're going to use Salesforce.